What's up, queens and kings? Welcome or welcome back to the channel. Here at Queen Budgets, we are tackling all financial areas from budgeting by paycheck, cash envelopes, savings challenges, sinking funds, debt payoff, all while currently on a low income and a single mom of 3. So if that sounds like something that would interest you, I invite you to give this video a great big thumbs up and also subscribe and join the shmoney team, because we over here getting our shmoney together, you know what I'm saying? So we appreciate all the recent love everyone has been showing me and the encouraging words. I really do appreciate you guys, and I cannot express it enough. So we are doing a budget with me, quick little, mini budget with me, and we're going to cash stuff my cash envelopes, my variable expenses, and also my sinking fund. Let's go to the budget breakdown sheets. Let's go to the budget breakdown sheet. I'm going to upload a video showing you guys all of these other extra pages that I never really had an opportunity to show you. But let's just start with the paycheck budget number 1. This is the first budget for February, okay? So just so the video is not 100 years long, I already pre-wrote everything. Everyone is what I'm starting with. Canva Pro, due date 2/1/22. $13. That brings us down to $8.28. Victoria's Secret, due on the 2nd. That's $30. That brings the total down to $7.98. Fenton Family Dental is $12. That brings us down to $7.86. Capital One Auto, which is $147, brings us down to $6.39. Xfinity, due to 11/22, is $55. That brings us down to $584. Henry's Auto Insurance is due on the 15th, and it's for $248. That brings us down to $336. BG&E is due 2/19. That's $155. That brings us down to $181. And then our buffer for this month is $15, which brings us down to $166. Variable expenses. The breakdown for the variable expenses, I will we can skim over that because I'm going to do a cash stuff and show you guys exactly how much I put in that. So once I stuffed the variable expenses, that brought us down to $60. Bring the $60 down, bring the $60 over here to where the sinking funds are. I'm only stuffing the emergency fund and my holiday sinking funds, and also bring it down to savings. And this is where I put my self-care challenge, which is I'm going to put $25 for the self-care challenge, and that brings us down to $0. Okay, for a zero-based budget, y'all. Okay, so let's get into the cash stuffing. So this is supposed to be $166, $166. So let's count it: 20, 40, 60, 80, 1, 110, 120, 130, 140, 150, 155, 160, 161, 162, 163, 164, 165, and $166. $166. Okay, we blessed to have that, right? We blessed to have that. Look at my shmoney, y'all. Okay, so let me get the sheet real quick. So here's the breakdown. Starting out with blessings, we're not putting anything in blessings. We still have $3 roll over with blessings. We're not going to put anything in that right now. Kids, we will be putting $5 in for kids. So they have $10 remaining, and we're letting the money roll over. So we're taking 5, they have 10, and that is 10 plus 5 is 15. It's February 1st plus 5, 15. Next is gas. We are putting $30 in gas. So that's a 20 and a 10. $30 for that is February 1st, 22, and we are adding $30. Household is getting $10. I've been doing real good with the household stuff too, because I ain't really been having to buy much of anything. We've been learning how to not waste stuff. Been really stressing that with my children, and also with the electricity. Now they went ham on the water. The water bill drive steep this month, but I'm just trying to tell them and show them, like, even with dishwashing liquid and stuff like that, like, you don't have to squirt a whole bottle. You can actually use a reasonable amount and still clean all of the dishes. Does that say 61? Because I feel like I'm going blind. Okay, yeah, 61. So that's going to be 20, 40, 60, and a $1 bill. I don't know why it's odd like that. Yeah, okay. I'm just double checking to make sure I didn't make any mistakes. I still have... Oh, look, y'all. I'm gonna tell y'all about that in a second. I still have $5 left over, but I had $1 extra buck from CVS and I didn't spend it. And I always have the tendency to ball the receipt up and just like throw it or never use it again. So I put the $1 extra buck in with my actual spending money, so I'll remember to spend it. And it expires in 2 days, so that's good. I'm gonna have to hurry up and use this $1. So let's count it and see how much we got all together. 20, 40, 60, 65, $66. And also my little $1 extra buck from CVS. Thank you. Thank you, CVS, for the give back. Emergency fund. Okay, so that's it for the cash envelopes. Emergency fund. This is the higher priority envelope. Binder, the blue one. And we're going to emergency. And what are we adding? We're only adding $10. Let me bring it closer because I can't see. Okay. We're adding $10. Now, I did have to spend some of this money like a couple of weeks ago. Not over again because, whoa, horsey. I was going too fast, okay? 100, 220, 240, 260. 270, 280, 290, 300, 301. So we got 301 in the EFA. I had to get some, I think, toilet paper and paper plates, and I literally did not have. Yeah, right here, toilet paper plates for my kids. You know what I'm saying? So, I added $10 to that. Today is Feb 1st plus 10, 301. Holidays, we're going to add the 25. I'm sorry if I'm too chatty, but I don't got no friends, so y'all my new friends. Hey, friend. So we should have 75 now. Let's count it. 20, 40, 60, 65. Let's fix that. 65, 70, 75. Okay. Christmas fun climbing up there. I see ya. Okay, I'm back, y'all. Sorry, I had a little technical difficulty with the camera. I didn't know what it was doing. Last $25 is going 10, 20. Look, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. Y'all, please bear with me. I don't know what's going on with me. A little frazzle, you know what I'm saying? So that's going to the self-care. That's going to the savings challenge. And I'm going to pull the trackers out before we go and show you guys. So let's add it. So what do we have in it before we add it? We have 62. Hold on. I didn't update my tracker. 20, 40, 60, 80, 90, 92. Oh, so I added $30. Hold on, give me 1 second, y'all. 20, 40, 60, 70, 80, 82. Okay. 82, so we added 20, and I didn't put it on a tracker. I remember the last time I did it, but I didn't update the tracker. See, thank goodness for having trackers, because you will straight up forget. So, it's supposed to be 107. So, let's count it before we write it, before we have to erase it, okay? Because the way I'm doing things today, baby, you tripping, girl. Look at my money, y'all. This is for my birthday. 20, 40, 60, 70, 80, 90, 95, 100, 101, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Okay. Yes. I just love money, y'all. I'm not even gonna want to spend the money on my birthday watch. I'm gonna be like, I just want to save it some more. So, well, that made me feel better because I was having like a rough day, but cash stuffing and doing these videos for y'all really bring me a lot of joy. So if you support my channel, just know I appreciate you. So we at 107. We're at 107, and before I let you beautiful souls go, I do the savings challenges, and I would do a separate video for my savings challenges, but I'm only doing 2, and I stuff such a small amount. I say I might as well add it in. You know, I can always find something fun to do. So the Christmas fund, we added $25, so we're coloring in one Christmas tree. I don't know if this is purple or black or what, but we're going to go with it. Oh, it's purple. So we're going to color in one Christmas tree. And then we're going to do the self-care challenge. Loving Me, the self-care challenge. I did this myself, y'all. And I just jumped right out there on a limb. And I was like, make a challenge. And I just went with it. I was like, okay. So we just added 25 right here. So I'm going to color in my airplane. I'm really proud about my challenge. I might keep this one going because I'm actually going to finish this one a lot sooner than I expected. I don't know why I thought it was going to take me to my birthday, but I guess I've been just throwing money at it every chance I get, and I'm literally almost done this challenge. This will be my first challenge ever completed, and I feel so happy about that. We doing it. Okay, yes, perfect. I love you guys, and when I say that, I'm just not saying that. I really love you guys. I appreciate you guys. If you are not subscribed, hit the subscribe button. Let's help this channel grow. All the love and support that you guys have been giving me, it's been phenomenal. It has really just been making my heart feel so good. So thank you. I can't say thank you enough. And until the next time, I want y'all to stay beautiful. Nothing but love, peace, and hair grease, baby.